Before you spend over $500 on this electric cooktop, there's something you need to know. On paper, the GASLAND 36-inch model looks like an incredible value, but some details aren't nearly as obvious as its specifications suggest. Let's separate what truly delivers from what deserves a closer look. The GASLAND 36-inch electric cooktop is designed for homeowners who want a spacious built-in cooking surface with modern features without stepping into premium brand pricing. With 5 radiant burners, a bridge zone, and a powerful triple ring element, it promises flexibility for everyday meals and larger family gatherings. My early verdict is simple. This cooktop makes sense for families who value cooking space and versatile cookware compatibility, but it isn't the right choice for anyone expecting induction-level speed and efficiency. Before we dive in, remember that this channel is here to help you make smarter buying decisions, not just rely on the spec sheet. If you appreciate honest, in-depth reviews like this, consider hitting the like button and subscribing. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep creating independent reviews. You'll also find a link in the description to our Kitchen Deals Telegram group, along with the link to this cooktop if you want to check the latest price and availability. The biggest misconception about this cooktop is that its impressive 9,200 watt rating automatically means it performs like an induction model. It doesn't. Because this is a radiant electric cooktop, the heating element must first warm the ceramic glass before transferring heat to the cookware. As a result, boiling water and changing temperatures won't feel as immediate as they would on induction. The cooking surface also stays hot long after you finish, making the residual heat indicator an important safety feature rather than just a convenience. Another point worth mentioning is the glass ceramic surface. It delivers a sleek, modern appearance and is easy to wipe clean, but it still requires care. One customer reported the glass cracking after several months of ownership. While that appears to be an isolated case rather than a widespread issue, it highlights why proper installation, avoiding heavy impacts, and preventing sudden temperature shocks are important. Finally, this cooktop requires hardwired 220 to 240 V installation by a qualified professional, so it's not a simple replacement for every kitchen without verifying electrical compatibility first. Where this cooktop genuinely exceeds expectations is in its everyday usability. The 5 cooking zones provide enough space to prepare multiple dishes without feeling cramped, which is especially valuable for larger households or anyone who enjoys cooking complete meals at once. The bridge zone is another standout feature, allowing 2 burners to operate as one larger heating area for griddles, oversized pans, or grill plates. That's a feature usually found on more expensive models. The triple ring center element also adds flexibility by adapting to different cookware sizes instead of wasting heat on smaller pots. Daily operation feels straightforward thanks to the responsive slider touch controls, while the timer, child lock, and automatic shutoff contribute to a safer and more convenient cooking experience. Another major advantage is the compatibility with virtually all of your existing cookware, including aluminum, stainless steel, copper, and cast iron. If you aren't interested in replacing your existing pots and pans, this alone makes the GASLAND a practical choice. You should seriously consider this cooktop if you want a spacious 36-inch cooking surface with modern features without paying premium brand pricing. It's an excellent fit for families, frequent home cooks, or anyone who regularly prepares several dishes at the same time. The bridge zone adds genuine versatility for oversized cookware, while the triple ring element adapts efficiently to different pan sizes. Another major advantage is that you can continue using virtually all of your existing cookware, avoiding the extra expense often associated with induction models. If your priorities are practical features, generous cooking space, straightforward controls, and solid overall value, the GASLAND 36-inch electric cooktop offers a well-balanced package that deserves serious consideration. If you're expecting induction-level speed, this probably isn't the right cooktop for you. However, if you want a spacious, well-equipped, radiant electric cooktop with thoughtful features, solid everyday performance, and compatibility with virtually any cookware, the GASLAND 36-inch model is a worthwhile choice. Every kitchen has different needs, so make sure you're buying the product that truly matches your cooking style. If this review helped you make a more confident decision, please like the video and subscribe to support independent reviews. You'll also find the link to this cooktop in our Telegram group dedicated exclusively to kitchen deals in the description.